Good morning students. Hope you all are safe. Today in this health education class we are going to discuss about a new topic. Before that I have some questions to you. What happens when we do not remove stagnant water in our nearby premises or we do not safely dispose the plastic bottles? Yes, mosquitoes lays eggs there. So we all know that the mosquitoes cause many diseases. Can you name some of the diseases that are caused by the mosquitoes? Yes, malaria, dengue fever, etc. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the disease dengue fever.
Let us start our topic dengue fever. Going to our objectives to recognize the symptoms of dengue fever, to suggest methods to eradicate mosquitoes, to develop positive attitude towards health and hygiene.
First of all, I will give you an activity and this activity is an individual activity. In this activity, you should find out the names of the mosquitoes that cause dengue fever and also find out the symptoms of the dengue fever. Time allotted for this activity is only 3 minutes.
Dengue fever. It is a flu-like illness and the vector causing this disease is the mosquito. Two types of mosquitoes, Aedes aegypti and also Aedes albopictus. Dengue may appear as DVF, dengue viral fever, DHF, dengue hemorrhagic fever and DSS, dengue shock syndrome. And the diagnostic test is known as the dengue specific immunoassay. Symptoms of dengue fever: high fever, severe headache, pain behind the eyes, joint and muscular pain, reduced platelet counts.
Now we are familiar with the symptoms of the dengue fever. Then we are going to our second activity and it is a group activity. In this activity you should find out the methods to prevent this disease. Prevention and control of this disease, and it is a group activity. Time allotted for this activity is 8 minutes. Try to do it.
Mode of transmission of this disease is man to mosquito to man. Mosquito acquire virus by feeding the patient during the first 5 days. After 8 to 10 days, mosquito become infected. Prevention and control: early detection and notification, isolation of patient for 5 days, mosquito nets and repellents. Cover all body parts, eliminate mosquito breeding sites, mosquito eradication program.
Okay, we studied about the signs and symptoms of dengue fever and also its prevention and control. Then we are going to our recapitulation activity. In this recapitulation activity, you should prepare a summary note on the topic just studied and also present that note in front of the class. Hope you all understand the topic discussed, that is the dengue fever. Then I will give you some questions for our follow-up activity. Try to do that questions.
Questions. Write a short note on dengue fever. Write the significance of conducting dry day. Suggest some steps to eradicate mosquito in your home surroundings. Thank you.